Hey friends, if you wish to find Windows 11 product key, then I will guide you through the easiest method. Search for store in the Windows search bar and go to the Microsoft Store. Search for Show Key Plus and hit enter. Go to Show Key Plus app. Click on install corresponding to it. This will install the Show Key Plus app. We will wait till it installs on the system. Once it is installed, click on open. It will need a while to open. We will wait till then. Once it opens, you will be able to check the OEM key, installed key, and OEM edition, etc. here. Not just the OEM key, you can check the detail key, etc. here. So these are the details for the key. This is the key. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.